the lake.
Oh, you can?
Yeah. Alright, so we're out here way at the Aztec Peak at the lookout tower. I didn't realize that you could actually see Roosevelt Lake. I don't know if that's going to come out on the video at all. It's way down there before that mountain. I'm sure the wind noise is killing the audio.
Oh, wow. I
But,
don't remember that either.
but that is the lake back there. Hey, welcome back to the channel. While we were camping in the Sierra Ancha Wilderness, we decided to take a road trip and cruise the Aztec Peak Trail. Following Highway 288 up from our Rose Creek campground location, about a mile and a half, you take a right on Forest Road 487. You'll see the Workman Creek signs. Alright, let me see if I can cover some general details about this Forest Road 487, otherwise known as the Aztec Peak Trail. So, the trail distance or total is about 6.6 miles. Elevation changes, you're going to go starting at a low point of about 5,420 foot to a high point of about 7,736 feet at the top. Um, the road itself kind of follows Workman Creek, and then along the way you'll run into several kind of forest service recreation areas, like day use only areas, and some various trailheads. Um, but it is a beautiful trail. Um, at when there's too much snow on the road or other debris, there is a Forest Service gate that's kind of part way up the trail that they'll close and lock when the road becomes hazardous. But otherwise, it is a spectacular trail, and let's get started. And I will point out some other highlights along the way. All right, about a mile into the trail, you're going to starting to see some buildings on the left side of the road. That is the Arizona Elks Youth Camp, and looking it up on the internet, it has quite the history. Looks like the Miami YMCA board purchased that land and moved to that location in 1940. Then there's a lot of changes along the way, but to cut to the end, in 2003, it was kind of repurchased and revitalized for the intent to be used for statewide church groups, boy and girl scouts, 4-H groups, youth corps, and organizations like that. All right, coming up on the right side of the trail is the first kind of day use recreation site called Creekside. It's got a lot of room and it's got some beautiful access to the creek. Definitely something you should check out and spend the day at. It's gorgeous. All right, so as we continued up the trail, we noticed that the side by side that had passed us earlier had come to an abrupt stop and was looking at something. And as we approached, we found a fresh predator kill of a deer in the middle of the road. So stay tuned to my channel on for the next video on with some hints and ideas of what might have caused this. All right, so continuing on the trail, you'll eventually run into the Cascade recreation kind of day use site over here on your right. It's another beautiful area to sit and relax along the creek. here you see coming into the scene on the trail is the actual Forest Service gate that they will lock and close when the snow or other debris in the road makes it too hazardous to continue. As you keep venturing on this trail, about 3 miles in, you're going to eventually come to Workman Creek Falls, where you have to cross or cover a couple of cliffside bridges. But once you get there, there's a couple of pull-offs where you can get out of your vehicle and stop and take some photos or video of the 200-foot waterfall, which is very impressive. But this is Workman Creek Falls in the Sierra Ancha Wilderness. Here's the top of it. Flows down. So this is the top of the falls where the stream runs down. All right, it's time to hit the trail. Let's get to the top of this baby. Let's go see the Aztec Peak.
The lake.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're out here way at the Aztec Peak at the lookout tower. I didn't realize that you could actually see Roosevelt Lake. That's lookout towers that they use. Check that out. Amazing views.
All right, so we made it to the top of Aztec Peak, and it was quite a journey. The beauty along the way was just incredible. Even the beauty on the road trip up to the Sierra Ancha Wilderness was incredible. The cactus were blooming, the agaves were blooming, and we have never, ever seen so much wildlife in our time here this week camping here in the Sierra Ancha Wilderness. So stay tuned for the next video with some behind-the-scenes look at the camping experience, where we camped, and some of the animals, critters, etc., and even the a rare animal that came into our campsite. It was just awesome. I mean, just what an experience. But I appreciate you making it to the end. Please leave a comment, hit that like button, subscribe, and definitely ping that notification bell so you can know when the next video comes out. You guys take care, be safe, get outdoors.